Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Another video today, something different for you. We have a speed build of the Lego Technic for the McLaren Senna GTR. This is a recent pickup of mine. I picked it up from Argos for £40 after discounts. But you're also able to find it on other sites such as the Lego official website and also Amazon. If you are interested in this Lego Technic for the McLaren Senna GTR, then be sure to check the link in the description. But yeah, this is something I've recently discovered. I used to play with Lego when I was young, but then like most things in life, you start to grow out of it. But recently I liked this advanced Lego within the Technic range. It includes stuff like diggers, other cars such as the Bugatti Chiron, which I'll speak on later at the end of the video. But there's some details on the box, some information regarding the Senna itself, such as 0 to 60 in less than 2.8 seconds, and other details such as 4.8 twin turbo. I actually do love the back of this packaging. Some more images of the Lego Senna, the rear. The actual length of it is just over 30 centimeters, so pretty big. But hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys later. And there we have it, the final product of the McLaren Senna GTR and the Lego Technic. I really did enjoy this build. It took me around 4 hours, so quite long. I'll definitely say the building was worth it. If I'm going to go over some stuff that I messed up on, I misplaced some sections of the car, such as just underneath the front of the car. I brought it back when it should have been forward, within like the lights area. So I guess for you guys who are building, just make sure you're following the instructions like to the T, very strict, because some pieces are very similar, so that you can brush over them and then you'll find yourself multiple steps ahead, not knowing what actually went wrong. But the instructions are very nice, very simple, and the use of the real life size scaling measurement for the different pieces is also very beneficial. Some detailing of the vehicle itself. We start off with the real life engine on show. When you rotate the wheel from the back on the left, you can see the engine itself starting to move, which is a nice touch, as well as the open and close doors, butterfly doors, and finally the sort of turning dial on the top of the roof just to help you rotate and steer the car. Overall, I really enjoyed this build, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bless.